welcome back to On the Budget, and today I am going to make some slime. And today I'm going to be making iceberg slime. So let's get started. Sorry, there is like something in my eye. Okay. So you need Elmer's glue. You don't have to have this exact kind. Well, you need school glue, white glue, washable glue. You need washable glue. It can be Crayola or whatever. I've seen people use like Maddie Ray, Crayola, any really type as long as it's washable. But don't get the Elmer's glue wall. That has not worked for me, so I wouldn't recommend that. So, and you can do however much glue that you want. I'm just using this small bottle because I want to. It's easier to use a bottle in videos than to use a whole gigantic gallon of glue. So, there. You can't even see my bowl. Hold up. No, dang. Okay, there you go. Now you can see my bowl. And the camera's going to crooked, but oh well. I'll fix it in a second. Dang, this is so common. Like, what the heck? Dang it. Oh, it didn't get on the table good. I do not need glue on the table. This would not run out. Okay. So, I got my bowl with my glue. Okay, now you need shaving cream. And you need a butt ton of shaving cream. It's my book, I think it said like almost 4 cups of shaving cream or something like that. So put a butt ton of shaving cream. Okay. That's what I'm gonna put. I told you. A butt ton of shaving cream. I don't want to put too much, which I'm not making that much slime, so I'm not gonna put 4 cups. So I'm just gonna go with like 1. But if you wanted it exact, then put 4 cups. And then I don't remember how much glue the book said. I really don't remember how much glue. Might have said maybe a cup, but I don't remember. But you could probably look it up and figure it out. Or just watch this video. But the point is, add a lot of glue. I mean, shaving foam. Apparently. I didn't know you had to add so much shaving foam. Pretty sure it said 4 cups of shaving foam. Hold up. I will be right back. Okay, I got my book. I have like 4 books, but I have the Ultimate Slime book. That's what it looks like. Yeah, it said 1 cup of glue. So that it's add 4 times the amount of shaving cream to it by volume, so about 4 cups. Yep, it definitely said 4 cups. Okay then. But because I'm not making 1 cup of slime and I'm only making 4 ounces, I'm only putting this much. So, making us baby iceberg slime. And then I'm gonna add lotion. It didn't say to add lotion. I completely forgot to get the cornstarch. Let me get that real quick. also forgot to put this little thing of glass down. But yeah, it's just so that I can play with the slime on the table. It's not that big of a deal. Ew. I cannot scoop that out. I don't know what I'm gonna do because I don't think I asked for that much cornstarch. Okay. I think that's all you need. I don't know how much that is. I don't know how much, I don't remember how much the book said. I don't think it really matters. I would just eyeball it. But if you really want to know, you can get this Ultimate Slime book because it has like almost all of the stuff that I do in my videos in it. A couple are in different books, but I feel like I showed you the books, but I don't remember if I did. But I'll show you the rest at the end of this video. 1/4 to half a cup of cornstarch. I need way more than that. I just didn't want to put a butt ton because I knew that I can get a little carried away with this, just like I kind of did. Sorry about the sun, which y'all might not even tell with the sun because it might have been corrected, but right now the sun is not being my friend. So. And I am spilling cornstarch everywhere, but I'm thinking that's weird consistency. Now I have never made iceberg slime before. So this video might be a train wreck. I don't know. But if it is, it'll probably never be uploaded. It's probably gonna get uploaded whether it's a train wreck or not, depending on how bad of a train wreck. To be honest, I upload like basically all my stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna add orange scent, which this is optional. Oh, I forgot a step. I'm gonna add lotion, just because I want my slime to be stretchy. I'm not gonna add too much though. I meant to add that before the scent. Of course, I forgot. Which I didn't add the scent, I technically grabbed it. But as I was saying, I'm gonna add orange scent. Now this is optional. Okay. There's orange on my finger. Now I'm gonna color it orange. You can do it two-toned. That's actually what the book has. It has it two-toned, but I figured it's probably gonna be enough just making one slime. I don't really want to make two slimes, so I am just making one color. So I'm just making it one-toned. Just one. I am making a mess right now. You can barely even see. It is way more creamy in real life and way more orange. The light is making it look weird. Can you see it from over here? That's a little bit better, but it's still more orange than it is on camera right now, but by the time it's up, this is uploaded, it might be color corrected, so I don't know. Or it might not be. Who knows? And I'm gonna just pick up some charms before I forget. I'm trying to go with kind of an orangey theme. I have a lot of charms. I think every video I might try to do a theme. I don't know how well it's gonna work out, but. Ow! That hurt so. Sorry, my cat was using my leg as a ladder. And it hurt. Really. But my lovely screaming. I'm not seeing something I was looking for. I'm wondering if this is the charm thing that I meant to pick up. Hey, what you doing? What you doing? Come here. Come here. Come here. I want to see you. Come here. Here's my cat. Isn't she sweet? Look at her. Look. Say hi to the camera. Her name is Sophie if you missed that video. Ow. Okay, can you get off my shoulder, please? Oh, lovely. Okay. So I'll be right back again. I knew that wasn't the thing that I meant to grab. But I didn't see the charm I was looking for. And I was like, wait, where is it? So I knew I had put it in there. That's a great fit. Oh, perfect. I found him. Well, that's good. Okay. That's kind of skadoodle over there. That's done. Okay. So, I'm going to activate nothing because I forgot to get my activator. Hashtag fails in this video. I have made so many freaking mistakes. Yeah.
Don't come up with anything to eat.
No. Okay, now I'm going to activate my slime because I grabbed my activator. So I can actually activate it this time. Whoa, it's like a big flown, fluffy cloud. I was about to say flown cloud, but it's not a flown cloud. It's a fluffy cloud. Fluffy cloud. Fluffy cloud. You know, it really doesn't look that orange anymore. Might add a little bit more orange. Just to make it a little bit more orange. Okay, I think that's all the the coloring I'm gonna add. So I kind of wanted a richer red, orange. Now that I'm really on board with that orange theme, I kind of want a richer orange. And I think I somewhat got that. I got it for now. That's what I'm gonna say. I got it. Probably gonna have to get in with my hand soon since there's so much shaving cream. And I don't know how well it's activating. And I just poured a lot of activator. Oh my gosh. This is like a big shaving foam cloud. I don't know how I'm gonna mix this all in. Feels like this is adding too much video, but I haven't even started this. It's like a big shaving foam cloud. It's just so good. Try not to use my other hand because I don't want to get it dirty in case I need activator. Need a hand, so. I hope I have enough activator to actually activate this. Because I don't have any more other than what's in this thing. So I'm gonna need this real quick. Okay, I'm gonna knead it, and I will come back when it's all kneaded. Okay guys, I have it all activated right here. It feels so good. It's kind of rippy though, because of all the shaving cream. But it still feels so good and it looks so good. Wow, it looks so yellow on this on the phones, on the camera. Hold on, let me see something. If it'll still looks kind of. Ugh. Oh wait, I look better without the ring light on. Okay. Oh, could have had the ring light off this whole time, but oh well. So yeah. So I'm going to now do the test. So first, it's the grand swirl. Whoa! Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, now the clicky test. Kind of jiggly. It's jiggly. Now the slime bubble test. I tried this earlier and it didn't really work, but oh! Small bubble. Not a huge one though. Well, but at least there's a small one. And yes, this is Iceberg slime, not super fluffy slime. So therefore, you have to leave it for 2 to 3 days to get that film or whatever on the top. So you just have to let it sit out for 2 to 3 days. So yeah, pretty sure you just kind of let it sit out without putting it in a container or anything. I don't think you fridge it. Pretty sure you don't. But I'm gonna check. Let it sit out. Well, this says 3 to 4 days. But until a thick layer of slime has dried on the top. And you cannot touch it. So, if it's big, of course, you place it in a large bowl. And then you just put it somewhere. Let it sit there for a couple days. Then it'll get this film on the top of it.
About 5 guys.
So I might film and show y'all the thick layer on the top after 2 to 3 days. don't know. I forget. But yeah. If I did, it should be inserted after this video or after this part. But if I didn't, then clearly it won't be inserted. And I'm sorry for that. But the basic thing is you just look for dried up slime on the top of it. And that's basically it. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell. Thank you guys for watching. Bye! Okay guys, this is what the slime looks like after a few days. It has a really hard top to it. As you can see, that's what it looks like after a few days. And it's gonna have kind of a hard thing in it, but I think at some point we'll kind of make some. So, yeah. Okay. Love you guys. Bye.